The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro review is finally here. This AI-powered tablet is redefining what's possible with cutting-edge features and an ultra-smooth hyperose experience. But is it really the best tablet of 2025? In this in-depth review, we put Xiaomi's latest flagship tablet to the test, covering design, display, AI features, performance, and accessories to see if it truly outshines the competition. Key highlights of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. Next-level AI features, from AI-generated wallpapers to real-time translation. Xiaomi is pushing boundaries with artificial intelligence, but is it more than just a gimmick? Stunning display. The 11.2-inch 3:2 aspect ratio IPS screen delivers true color accuracy and 2 certified eye protection, making it perfect for reading, gaming, and content consumption. But why did Xiaomi stick with IPS instead of old Hyperose 2? Smoother than ever, Xiaomi has improved cross-device connectivity for a seamless experience between your tablet and smartphone. Plus, the split-screen multitasking is now buttery smooth. But does it finally beat Samsung's One UI, gaming and performance? With the Snapdragon Gen 3 chipset, this tablet promises lag-free gaming at high frame rates. We tested on Genshin Impact, PUBG, and Honkai Star Rail to see how it really holds up under pressure. Battery and fast charging. Featuring a massive 8,850 mAh battery and 6.7W fast charging, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro claims to be an all-day device. But how does it perform under heavy usage? Stylus and keyboard support. The latest Focus stylus and floating keyboard aim to enhance creativity and productivity. But is it a true iPad Pro alternative for artists and professionals? Speakers and audio. With Dolby Atmos support, this tablet is designed for an immersive sound experience. But with only 2 speakers, does it match the audio quality of competitors like the iPad Air or Galaxy Tab S9? Should you buy the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro? At first glance, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro seems like the ultimate AI-powered tablet. It brings powerful performance, a smooth user experience, and next-gen AI features that promise to change how we interact with tablets. However, it's not perfect. There are still some drawbacks like the lack of an old display, missing SIM card slot, and fewer speakers than the competition. If you're looking for a powerful Android tablet with AI features, fast charging, and smooth performance, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro might be the perfect choice. But if you need the best display and audio experience, you might want to consider alternative options like the iPad Air or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Watch our full review to see if the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is worth your money in 2025. What do you think of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tech reviews.